demonstrate a fun little compositional and improvisational technique that just involves two moves from any minor key and takes you around the circle of fifths by flattening just one note. It's going to take you into another minor key which has the pattern including that flattened note. So the effect is going to be a little bit like a Bach fugue. It's sort of like a thoughtful effect, or it's kind of a victorious sort of a feeling and resolution, or almost like a righteousness kind of a feeling. So the effect, just to demonstrate how it's going to sound in 6, let's go like this. You can then change the melodic elements that you're putting into that. I just did a quick melodic element repeated in a pattern of 6. So let's look at what I actually did. So you've got a B flat minor. Now the 5 of B flat minor is an F, right? That's your 5 note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do a lot of stuff by moving quickly to the 5. People will recognize it as an intuitively pleasing move. Now, if we use that chord but we diminish it, then we flattened just the second of our original sequence, right? We flattened our second, and that gives us this. But in our new key, now with this flattened here, even though we moved to the 5th, by diminishing that, we're on the 2nd of our new key, because our new key by flattening this is E flat minor. So we put that diminished, and then you can get into a pattern that is a 2-5, which is a really common thing in jazz and also classical, where you move from the 2 to the 5. It gives you a resolution. So even though we have a diminished, we're on the 2 of that new key. Then we go to the 5 major, and then we're at our new key, and we just did a 2-5 turnaround in our new key. And so we've resolved to that new key, and it feels like a new kind of a satisfaction or something like that. Now if we do the same thing here, we're doing the exact same pattern but on E flat minor. So we're flattening that 2, and we're making a diminished chord out of it that is rooted on the 5 of our original key. But it's the 2 of our new key, which is A flat minor. So there's our 2.